Welcome to the Ambit training session, ramps. The ramps we use today are a one-piece aluminium ramp built in the United States. The ramp itself is 4.88 metres long, which is 16 feet, and 1.37 metres wide, which is 4.5 feet. The ramp capacity is 1,100 kilos and the ramp weight itself is 131 kilos. We suggest that you use 6 crew to move the ramp, 3 either side, evenly spaced. Either side of the ramp is a rail that stops any of the cases or gear on the ramp coming off the side of the ramp. In those walls are finger holes to negotiate manual handling of the ramp. We strongly suggest moving ramps with 6 people, 3 people either side. This is the bottom of the ramp, also known as the toe or the tail. You'll notice that it's nice and flat and engages with the ground. You will notice that the end of the ramp is quite sharp and gloves should be used when dealing with that end. This is the top of the ramp or the head of the ramp. You will notice that the head of the ramp is slightly angled, so when it engages with the truck and or stage, it provides a flat surface. Again, the very edge of the head of the ramp can be quite sharp and gloves should be utilised when working on this area. This is the backstop of the ramp. It is located under the head of the ramp, and the idea is that when the ramp is placed on the truck or the stage, the backstop stops the ramp from continuing too far onto that work area. Okay, here's some vision of the team employing the ramp onto the back of the truck. They engage the head of the ramp first and then lower the tail. This underside footage shows the backstop coming into play once the ramp is engaged onto the truck. It is important to make sure that the ramp is free and clear of any debris. If there is any debris on the ramp, it needs to be cleaned off before the ramp is utilised. The still shot that you're looking at is a festival scenario where the semi-trailers are backed into a loading dock area. The loading dock being a lot higher than the bed of the semi-trailer. Therefore, the ramp goes from the semi-trailer up onto the loading dock. In this scenario, the foot of the ramp is in the semi-trailer and the head of the ramp engages the loading dock. You will notice ratchet straps holding these ramps in position.